Say goodbye to traffic jams and crowded streets with the ANCHEER StreetRider electric bike. Equipped with a 48V 7.8Wh battery, this compact bike delivers up to 45 miles per charge in pedal assist mode, making your daily commute faster and more efficient. Feel the power of the 350W brushless motor, peaking at 500W for a top speed of 22 miles per hour. Whether you're cruising through the city or riding to work, you'll always stay ahead of the game. Designed for comfort, the dual shock absorbers and spring saddle make every ride smooth, even on rough terrain. And with dual disc brakes, you can count on reliable stopping power for a safe journey, day or night. The bright headlight and integrated taillight with brake light indicator ensure you stay visible and safe, even in low light conditions. Ride confidently, knowing you're seen from all angles. Choose from 3 working modes: throttle mode, pedal assist, or normal bike mode, and track your speed, mileage, battery life, and more with the intuitive LCD display. Switch between Eco, Tour, and Sport speed settings for a truly customizable ride. Need to take it on the go? The ANCHEER StreetRider folds down to a compact size of just 50 by 21 by 42 inches, making it perfect for storing in your car trunk or small spaces. At only 48.5 pounds, it's light enough to carry wherever you need it. Whether you're heading to the grocery store, exploring the city, or cruising around campus, this foldable bike is perfect for short trips or daily commutes. It's designed for riders of all ages, with a weight capacity of up to 265 pounds and ideal for heights between 4 feet 6 inches and 5 feet 6 inches. The durable tubeless tires are made of high-quality rubber with a non-slip pattern, offering excellent wear and puncture resistance. You'll enjoy a smooth, stable ride wherever your adventure takes you. Ready to make your commute smarter, safer, and more eco-friendly? The ANCHEER StreetRider electric bike combines power, convenience, and comfort for the perfect ride wherever your journey leads. Ride smarter, ride faster, and ride ANCHEER.